Clouds rise against the horizon, where dawn paints the sky in strokes of amber and rose, while mist clings to the valleys below, like silk ribbons drifting between ancient peaks. Rivers carve their paths through forests that have stood for centuries, their waters reflecting the endless dance of clouds overhead. Each season brings its own palette to this canvas, from the fresh emerald of spring meadows to here time moves differently, measured not in hours, but in the slow drift of shadows across stone and the whisper of wind through tall grasses, inviting the weary traveler to pause and breathe in the vast, untamed beauty that surrounds them.